Restaurant style Matar Paneer. This Indian dish is so full of flavor and actually pretty easy to make. Let me show you how. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil. Throw in 1 sliced red onion and saute until translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Toss in a few garlic cloves and then 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Also sprinkle in about a teaspoon of salt, mix, and you're gonna cover and let these tomatoes cook down for about 10 minutes. I realized in the beginning I forgot to add a dried red chili, but it's cool, I'm gonna add it now. Along with 2 tablespoons coriander, 1 tablespoon of cumin, half teaspoon of red chili, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Give it a mix, and then we're gonna cover and just let this cool down. Once cooled, you're gonna blend it into a nice puree. To a clean pan, I'm gonna heat some more oil, and then I wanna pan fry my paneer. This is paneer, it's a type of Indian cheese. You can use homemade or store-bought. When your paneer has some nice color like this, remove it into that same pan, add some cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon, peppercorn, and about a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast for 30 seconds and then pour in our gravy that we pureed. Mine was a little thick, so I added about a cup of water and shook that jar up really well to get everything out. See how your consistency is. If you want it thinner, you can add more water. In goes a teaspoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek. Give it a mix, and then we're gonna put in our paneer. You can see I cubed mine up, along with about a cup of peas. You can use frozen if they're already cooked, doesn't matter. And at this rate, we're pretty much done. I like to let mine simmer for about 5 minutes, and then the best part, you add about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and a handful of chopped cilantro. Make sure you taste your gravy along the way and adjust your spices however you need to. And that's it, guys. I love to serve this with rice or naan. If you get a chance to try this, please let me know how you like it. And that is how you make